The Williams School in New London, preparing scholars, athletes, artists, and global citizens for college and lifelong learning since 1891. Visit our website for open house dates, williamsschool.org. The Williams School, grades 7 through 12. Belong.
It's time to do the Wizards of Weekend.
Who's on this noon?
Josie Davis is on Live Lunch Break today. She is really talented.
Very.
Turn that on at noon, theday.com.
Yeah.
Now, you know what? Last week was spectacular because I got to see Yes at the MGM Grand in Foxwoods on Friday, and then I saw Green Day on Saturday. So that was two really good things. And the reason I bring that up, even though it was in the past, is because Saturday, Mohegan Sun Arena, the greatness of Muse. Are you a Muse fan?
No.
Are you a fan of Muse?
I don't know that much about him.
Well, you gonna turn up Knights of Crydonia?
I've never heard of Muse. I don't even know what they say. What are they?
That's one of the best bands in the world.
Seriously?
Yeah.
So you give a double thumbs up for Muse?
Yeah, I love Muse.
Wow.
Is that the Mohegan Sun?
Yeah.
Are you going?
Yeah. Heck yeah.
Okay. Are you going to report on it, or are you going as a fan?
I'm going to take a big dose of mushrooms.
Have some MSG
Go
filled
for
Chinese food and go over there and have a blast.
Could I just say that Absu is also playing Friday at the L&G? This is a Dallas, Texas black metal band. Their own definition of their music is mythological occult metal, okay?
Yeah, it sounds soothing.
It's a bad picture.
That's what these dudes look like.
I know, but
they're
it's still
demon
bad.
worshippers. They love demons.
Is that an act, or they really love the demons?
I think they're. If you go to their website, they're pretty demon about it.
Are they really?
Yeah, they like.
I mean, imagine living your whole life all about demons and stuff.
Devil worship.
You get up every day,
like,
it's demons.
It's one thing when you go like I'm 19 and I'm rebellious and I'm going to embrace black metal, but when you turn like 43,
Yeah, those guys are 40 years old.
Yeah.
At
What are you going to tell your kids? I'm going to go out and visit, watch a band that's a demon worshiper?
Here's
call
the
the doctor
guys
to set an appointment like for your hernia, and you're saying, "Well, doc, I can't make it that day. I've got to worship Zod or something like that."
Well, I should come in. I should come in dressed like that with my eyes painted black and be a devil worship doctor.
I think that would be
Don't you think?
great. Hey, and here's another thing. How come you of all? How much time do we have?
Not much.
I have
fighting
something
the clock
important
every
to
week.
say.
Yeah.
Go well, quickly.
All right, Wally Lamb.
Okay.
Friday, the Lime Congregational Church. His newest book is going to be out in November, and he's going to be reading from We Are Water. We're talking about a dude in our neighborhood that's probably going to be shortlisted for a Nobel
There's so far
Prize in
nothing to do
Literature.
this weekend.
He's one of the greatest writers in the world.
I know.
Listen, there's only one thing to do this weekend anyway.
Eat Chinese food?
No, not. For God knows. Go to Steve Elsie's
there you go.
Kidsploration
Well, that's
event.
what I was getting to.
well, gotta
'Cause
make
I was
it
going to
happen.
say, this is making the Masters look interesting.
The Masters is the best school. I can't talk to you people
There
anymore.
might be a fight here in the studio.
I can't talk to you people
Tell everybody
anymore.
you're going to Steve Elsie's
Hey,
Kidsploration.
I'm going to
Let's talk
Steve
about-
Elsey.
Where is it?
That's the best thing in possible.
Where and when?
It's Sunday,
but no one knows what time.
because the posters don't have the time on it. It's at the Guard Art Center.
Just mill
Red
around waiting for him to come out and play.
Go see Muse. Go see Wally Lamb. Go see Steve Elsey. Okay?